This is Jenny Brandt with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. Today, we're going to look at a dozen foods that enhance your liver function. A plant-based diet is one of the best ways to improve your health, lower your risk for many chronic diseases, and enhance your liver function. When your liver loses its ability to perform its many important functions, you lose your lifeline. But never fear, there are a dozen foods that enhance your liver function. And if you've ever heard the term cheaper by the dozen, it applies here because these 12 foods are virtually inexpensive. The first one is simply green tea. A 2015 study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology reveals that green tea may help reduce overall fat content, fight against oxidative stress, and reduce other signs of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a big problem in our country today. So drink up, my friends. Another drink is number 2, coffee. According to the Journal of Gastroenterology, coffee appears to reduce fat buildup in the liver. It increases protective antioxidants and helps the liver enzymes to rid the body of cancer-causing substances. And that's important to me. Another reason to start your day with this powerful drink, but it's always best in moderation and not after 3 p.m. if you want to get good sleep at night. Number 3 is garlic. Garlic contains many organic sulfur compounds that promote biological activities in the body and liver, such as detoxification. The selenium in garlic supports the thyroid gland, and garlic is also known to enhance the overall immune system, and I love to cook certain dishes with garlic. Number 4, berries. Dark berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries contain antioxidants called polyphenols, which protect the liver from damage. Eating berries also stimulates the immune system. And it's no secret that my husband and I eat 1 cup of blueberries or raspberries, any kind of berry, each day in our smoothie. Number 5, lemons, limes, and grapefruit. These citrus fruits are all natural sources of vitamin C, and they contain powerful antioxidants. Like garlic, they boost the production of liver enzymes, which promotes detoxification in our bodies. And this is why I squeeze lemon in my morning tonic drink daily. This stimulates my liver to do its job shortly after I get up. I must tell you, though, that grapefruit is not recommended for heart patients taking certain medications, so check with your doctor on that. Number 6 is simply cruciferous vegetables. This brassica vegetable family includes things such as Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, arugula, watercress, and broccoli. And they contain sulfur compounds that support detoxification and the health of the liver. They also help the liver to metabolize hormones, and this is especially important for breast and estrogen-fed cancer patients. In a recent study in men with fatty liver disease, they found that broccoli sprouts extract improved liver enzymes and decreased oxidative stress. So it's good for husbands too. Number 7, avocado. Avocado is actually a fruit. Did you know that? And it contains glutathione, which protects the liver from incoming waste and toxins. It also assists the liver in eliminating chemicals and toxins from our bodies. For more information on avocados, view my video called 6 Amazing Health Benefits of Eating an Avocado, and it will be referenced in the show notes below. Number 8, dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens and yellows contain numerous cleansing compounds that neutralize heavy metals and stimulate bile flow. Your liver loves bitter. So leafy greens such as dandelion, mustard greens, chicory, and arugula are great. And the more bitter, the better. And then number 9, there's turmeric. It's an herb that contains high antioxidants which repair liver cells and protect against cellular damage and assist in detoxification. Due to the pungent taste, folks like me generally take this in a supplement form, which is fine. We do it to lower inflammation, prevent cancer, and relieve pain. But recently, I found this wonderful turmeric tea with ginger and mango. And the mango even outs that pungent flavor from the turmeric, and it's absolutely a delicious tea. Number 10, grapes and grapeseed extract. Grapes, especially red and purple ones, contain a variety of beneficial plant compounds such as resveratrol. A study with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease patients showed that supplementation with grape seed extract improves liver function. Number 11, beetroot juice. This juice contains nitrates and an antioxidant called betalains, which both reduce oxidative damage and inflammation. And check with your doctor, it's also good for your heart. And last but not least are simply nuts. Nuts, especially walnuts, are high in healthy fats, including vitamin E and beneficial plant compounds that benefit your liver. Nut intake has been associated with improved liver enzyme levels. So here, I've given you a dozen good foods, but I must mention the bad foods quickly, because there are also foods to avoid to keep your liver healthy. Fatty foods like potato chips and corn chips, fried foods, starchy foods, too much of these, such as breads, pastas, and baked goods, and too much sugar. Actually, cutting back on sugar reduces stress on your liver. Then there's excess salt and too much alcohol. So if you are to remain healthy, you must show love and care for your liver. I've already done a video called 8 Ways to Keep Your Liver Healthy, and it will be referenced in the show notes below. By caring for our liver and investing in these dozen foods that enhance your liver, you can live longer and healthier. And you will save yourself lots of money over time with these inexpensive foods that together are cheaper by the dozen, also in saving you health care dollars. And what does your liver have to do with cancer? Well, I just have one word for that: everything. Can anyone share more foods that enhance liver function? How about any recipes like the tea I just showed you that you can use something like turmeric and keep your liver working as God intended, and it tastes good? Please share in the comments below, because we do learn from each other. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it, and click the notification bell so you will know when I post new information. Until next time, here's to your health and the health of your main detox organ, your liver. And may God bless you in your health journey.